Okay, so we found this baby bird. It's pretty young because it doesn't really have any feathers or anything on him. Um, we found him a few days ago and didn't really know how to take care of a bird or anything. So um, what we did to keep him warm was we just had these little gel packs and we microwaved it a little bit to where it's warm. Made him a little nest out of some towels. Um, and these kind of birds, you have to feed him like every 15, 20, 30 minutes. They'll kind of start chirping and let you know when they're hungry. And what we did is we just got some dog food, some wet dog food, and we just kind of put it right here and just kind of feed them. And oh, he spit that one. Hold on, missed. You can kind of tap him on the beak, and it'll let him. It'll kind of let them know that you're trying to feed them.
Oops.
Yeah. Ooh. So we've been doing this for 2 days now, and we're gonna bring him to the wildlife conservation today.